In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a coolant reservoir on your Honda Accord. This will be located in the engine bay, right in the front. Let's get started. Remove the hose off of the coolant reservoir, pull straight back. In front down here on the left, there's going to be a 10mm bolt. We're going to remove that bolt. Remove the bolt. Pull straight up and remove the coolant tank. We're going to install the new coolant tank. Be sure the dowel lines up with the hole on the bottom, and this tab right here drops into this bracket. Install the bolt in the front. Snug it down. Get it snug into about a quarter turn. Install the cooling hose. Push it straight on. Fill the reservoir with coolant. You can open the top, fill it to the max line, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.